Nike Basketball is reviving the Kobe 3 Christmas for Holiday 2025, a sneaker originally worn by Kobe Bryant in December 2008. Known for its daring design with a translucent web-like cage and bold blue base, the shoe returns in Protro form, blending nostalgia with modern performance. This updated version includes advanced cushioning, a Zoom Air midsole, and improved traction for today's game. Its festive look shines through glacier blue mesh, frosty iridescent accents on the swoosh and tongue, and a sleek icy outsole. More than just a retro drop, the release honors Kobe's lasting legacy while continuing Nike's tradition of holiday-themed basketball sneakers that connect with NBA matchups. Fans can expect the Kobe 3 Christmas Protro to be available via Nike SNKRS and select retailers, combining style, heritage, and functionality in one highly anticipated launch.